What is up, guys? How are you guys doing today? I'm back here with another video of Technology Tech. I'm back here with another video. You see I'm filming in different places. I'm trying different places around my house. I feel like this is an amazing spot to film, so I probably could start back filming here because the lighting is so good and everything. And also, I know I haven't been posting that much in probably the next 6 days. I've been posting. I just need a break from YouTube a little bit because I was posting every day. Plus, I had family time over the weekend and stuff. And I was just busy overall, so I didn't really have any time to upload or do any video. But today, we're going to be doing a video on the Galaxy Note 8 in 2020. It is 2020. The Galaxy Note 8 is a 2017 smartphone. The Galaxy Note 20 is going to be coming out in the next month, so I'm really happy about that. But the Galaxy Note 8 is still an amazing device in 2020, because the Galaxy Note 8 has some stuff that some 2020 smartphones don't even have. Like, it has a fingerprint sensor, has a telephoto camera, it has a curved display, has face unlock, has a stylus, it has fast charging, has a headphone jack, has expandable storage, has a 3,100 mAh battery life, it has a Bixby, it has 2 times optical zoom, and it has a wide camera, has 4K video recording, has a 60Hz display, has widgets, and it no longer supports updates for Android. The Galaxy Note 8 is definitely a great device. The Galaxy Note 8 is a great device. But all I have to tell you is it also has 1440p resolution and stuff. But I tell you, the battery life from the Galaxy Note 8 isn't the best. That's why I would recommend the Galaxy Note 9 over the Galaxy Note 8. Because the Galaxy Note 8 has a 3,100 mAh battery life. The Galaxy Note 9 has a 4,000 mAh battery life. The 4,000 mAh battery life is a big improvement on the Note 9 from the Galaxy Note 8 3,100 mAh battery life. So if you use your phone a lot, I would recommend you go for the Note 9 because it has a lot better battery life. You just have to see the battery test to see how much better the Note 9 battery is from the Note 8. Now, when we look at the Note 8 on the back, it's just a really great design, like, overall. Like, it's going to be, like, a great design. It's still a great, good-looking phone in 2020. Like, look at this phone. Has the little 2 lights, but hopefully the light don't go out. But you have 2 cameras on the back. You have a 12-megapixel wide camera, and you have a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. So when you take videos on the Galaxy Note 8, it's going to be having great video because it has 4K video recording. Still not up to the standards of Samsung phones in 2020, but you still get pretty great video recording. Now, with the S Pen, on the Galaxy Note 8, you do have a S Pen because it is the Note series. It can take notes whenever you just do the quick write memo. You know, it doesn't have those Bluetooth features like the Note 9 has or the air gestures like the Note 10 has. But the Note 8 S Pen is still really good because you can also take notes with it. You can do Smart Select. You can do all of that. You can do screen write and all of that. You can do a lot of stuff with the Note 8 S Pen. It's just not Bluetooth, or it has not up to the features that the Note 9 or the Note 10 S Pen does. But one thing that Note 8 S Pen does is it does have waterproof. Samsung introduced waterproofing with the Galaxy Note 7 S Pen, so the Note 8 S Pen is not going to be any different. So it is have waterproofing. And obviously, you know what to do. You put the S Pen inside of the Galaxy Note 8, but I'm going to take it back out because I need to show you. But the S Pen is definitely a great because write notes and all of that. The Galaxy Note 8 has a 6.3-inch 60Hz display, has 1440p resolution. So the display is really good. It's used up to 1440p resolution. So no matter what you're watching on YouTube, watching movies or anything, you're going to get very great video quality, so you do not have to worry about that. Plus, you have this big, beautiful curved display, so that's going to make it even better. Now, you do have some bezels. This is what reminds you this is a 2017 smartphone because it does have bezels. Now, the bezels aren't as big, but it still looks pretty good even in 2020. Now, you do have bezels on top and bottom, but one good thing it has no notch, has no punch holes, so when you're watching movies or anything, nothing's going to disrupt you watching a movie because you have no bezels. I mean, you do have bezels, but you don't have any notches or anything, so that's really great. So there's plenty of ways you can unlock the phone with the fingerprint sensor, or you can unlock it with Face Unlock. Now there's plenty of ways you can do that, so that's really great. The Samsung's give you that choice of doing it. That's something that the $1,000 iPhone 10 at the time did not have. Now, overall, the Galaxy Note 8 is an amazing device. So if you're looking for an affordable Galaxy Note series, you don't want the newest device, but you still want a great device in 2020, with still great specs in 2020, the Galaxy Note 8 is still a great device. Yeah, it does have it does have those bigger bezels. Yeah, it doesn't have all the cool features that most 2020 smartphone has, like the telescope zoom and stuff like that. And in-display fingerprint sensor, it doesn't have that. But at least you have the fingerprint sensor on the back. But the in-display fingerprint sensor is so much better because you don't have to reach your phone in the back. And the fingerprint sensor on the Note 8, that was the main complaint with most people with the Note 8. It's the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is on the very top, and it's kind of hard to reach it, as you can see. But it's overall still a great device. But guys, this is just a quick video about talking about the Galaxy Note 8 in 2020. I'm going to answer a few questions before I end this video. Should you buy the Galaxy Note 8 in 2020? I would say absolutely yes, especially if you want to save some money. If you don't use your phone like terribly a lot throughout the day, I mean, Note 8 should last you through a day just fine. But if you use your phone like a lot through the day, it may have to go, it probably going to go dead throughout the day because it only has a 3100 and it has battery life. Next stage, should you choose the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the Galaxy Note 8? And the answer is, I would say don't go with neither. I would say save your money, spend a little extra, and save your money. Don't get the Note 10, and don't get the Note 8. Get the Note 9, or save up and get the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, because now the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is going to be an amazing device. It's going to be an amazing device. It's going to have a lot more smaller bezel. It's going to have an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's going to have all that same thing that Note 10 has. It's going to have that 50 times zoom. It's going to have all of that. It's going to have 8K video. It's going to have a smaller punch hole camera out. It's going to have the 120Hz display. It's going to have more S Pen features. It's going to have better battery life, probably even a higher resolution, even more curved display, and all of that. So it's going to have a lot. But guys, it's just a quick video of talking about the Galaxy Note 8 in 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below and I will try and answer them. See you guys on my next video that I post.